In today's COBB highlight, we tune you in to the COBB Tuning Flash Kit and calibrations for the 2022 Plus 2nd Gen Subaru BRZ and its twin, the Toyota GR86. ECU tuning has always been at the heart of COBB Tuning's business. So for the ZN8 and ZD8 platforms, we worked alongside Ecutech to create an excellent flash kit with off-the-shelf calibrations that have been developed and are offered exclusively from COBB Tuning. When you purchase a flash kit from COBB, you'll receive this durable zipper case with everything you need to tune your car inside. Open it up and you'll find a Bluetooth OBD2 dongle that plugs into your car to connect to the ECU. You'll also find two cards. The first has a QR code that you can scan to download the ECU Connect app to wirelessly communicate with the dongle. The second card has a license number and an associated QR code that you can scan within the ECU Connect app, which gives you access to the unique COBB calibrations, aka tunes or maps, that come exclusively with the purchase of this kit. The COBB kit currently comes with several off-the-shelf calibrations designed for cars using all factory components other than the option of a catback exhaust. Starting with a Stage 1 91 tune in 3 variations based on fuel octane. Stage 1 ACN 91 is a tune specifically for 91 octane fuel found in Arizona, California, and Nevada, which makes this the correct map to use in those locations. The Stage 1 91 map is for 91 octane fuel in basically any other part of the US. Lastly, the Stage 1 93 tune is specifically for those who have access to 93 octane as per the US rating system with up to 10% ethanol. You'll also notice a Stage 0 map, which is a direct copy of the factory tune, so it's identical to stock, but you can still use the ECU Connect app to monitor or data log engine behavior. Plus, we toss in a bonus anti-theft map. That's basically just a flash to the ECU that prevents the car from ever starting unless you change back to one of the normal tunes. The stock tune on these cars is actually quite aggressive and generally makes close to maximum power right from the factory once the engine is up to temp. So applying a tune on an otherwise stock car will add a small bit of power, but the biggest value from tuning is the consistency of that power delivery. Quality engine tuning is not just measured by the biggest number. The COBB calibration is the result of months of extensive R&D, including determining the root causes of knock-induced power reductions on the factory calibration, even on 93 octane fuel, then creating custom compensations to optimize the tune as those particular factors vary, which includes implementing improvements to race ROM to address prior software limitations and allow for the application of COBB Custom Features. This allows for optimal and consistent performance over a broad range of operating conditions, including the dyno, street, and track use, without sacrificing one for the others. Also, there are plenty of additional benefits that come from having this flash on your ECU. You can wirelessly monitor live gauges on your cell phone screen as you drive, plus you can data log a long and customizable list of data monitors to really dig into the engine's behavior or send them off as a file for a professional to review. You also get the addition of launch control and flat foot shifting with any of the performance maps, but COBB has gone the extra step to develop a few additional custom features. The first is COBB Custom Traction Control. These cars are at their most fun when being driven at the limit, but the limit is that area right next to the danger zone. So the cars of course come with factory traction control and stability control. Those systems exist exclusively for safety. And if you're driving on a racetrack, they can often slow you down in the process of trying to keep you safe. Or you have to completely shut them off and you have no help at all. The COBB Custom Traction Control is a unique system tailored towards controlling wheel spin for the purpose of going faster, not just for being a killjoy. By the way, this system also serves to produce the fastest launch times as it allows for just the ideal amount of wheel slip to take off quickly without bogging or spinning too much. The other awesome custom COBB features are a combo of engine safety systems. Built right into the tune are custom engine oil temperature, coolant temperature, and knock reduction calibrations. The cars can get very hot very quickly, and the stock tune has a tendency to knock quite a bit. So all of the COBB Stage 1 maps are modified to reduce engine detonation even when driven aggressively. And if you drive aggressively enough so that the oil and or coolant temps pass a safe threshold, the tune will automatically apply a reduced RPM limit to suppress engine output in an effort to protect the engine from damage before you even realize things are getting too hot. The final note is that not only will purchasing the COBB Flash Kit give you access to these awesome custom maps and features, you also have everything you need to take your car to an approved pro tuner, who can make a custom tune just for your car once you perform additional modifications beyond the scope of the provided maps. The ability to flash, monitor, and apply custom features to your BRZ or GR86's ECU is absolutely vital if you want to drive these cars the way they were designed to be driven. And the best place to start is with the COBB Tuning Flash Kit, available right now at cobbtuning.com.